Enjoy the view of this 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Choose the compact crossover that delivers an outstanding combination of quality, comfort, and safety. The Tucson. Remarkable for its smooth, refined ride, upscale European-inspired interior, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, this SUV sets the bar for excellence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, keyless start, lane keeping assist, backup camera, power driver seat, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.